Now for the sports. Today,
Now what's going on? Partly cloudy, high of 42 and a low of 33. With that peak around 2 p.m. Now to the
good morning, Monomoy. It pains me to say this, but today is our last show. It's also Friday, February 4th, and is a day 4 in the schedule. Please rise for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Now the sports. Today, boys basketball plays at home against Martha's Vineyard at 3:30, and girls basketball plays at Martha's Vineyard at 4:30. Tomorrow, boys hockey plays their senior night game against Cardinal Spellman at 7 o'clock at home, and girls hockey plays against Nantucket at home at 2 o'clock. That's all for sports. Now to Kyle with the news.
Thanks, Mitch. In today's news, an astronomer and a group of eagle-eyed citizen scientists have discovered a giant gas planet hidden from view by typical stargazing tools. The planet T0I-2180b has the same diameter as Jupiter, but is nearly 3 times more massive. Researchers at UC Riverside also believe it contains 105 times the mass of Earth in elements heavier than helium and hydrogen. Nothing quite like it exists in our solar system. That's all for today's news. Now to meteorologist Luke with the weather.
Thank you, Kyle News. And good morning, Monomoy. It is with a heavy heart that I'm reporting the weather for the last time today. It'll be partly cloudy today, and it's around 45 degrees. We'll have a low of 29 and a high of 50 today, the highest it's been all year. Don't expect it to feel very warm, though, with the wind chill of 18 miles an hour from the southwest. Now for the last 5-day forecast. Saturday is looking rainy with a high of 34 and a low of 26. Sunday, some more snow with a high of 33 and a low of 27. Monday is partly cloudy with a high of 37 and a low of 28. And Tuesday, partly cloudy with a high of 37 and a low of 28. That's all for weather. Have a great morning, Monomoy. And in case I don't see you, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. This is Weatherman Luke signing off, and now to Tyler with the announcements.
Oh, saw you there this time. Thanks, Luke. This is James, who all semester long did the switcher board backstage. He put up the pictures, changed the cameras, basically did all the hard work. But since today is our last show, he's here with us, joining us on air. How you doing, James?
I'm doing great, and I'm very happy to be here. Let us get into some announcements. This week, the GSA at Monomoy celebrates the achievements of Virginia Uribe, who founded Project 10 in 1984 to support the LGBTQ+ youth in Los Angeles schools. Dr. Uribe noticed that an openly gay student at Fairfield High School had dropped out after fellow students harassed him. Fairfax was the 4th high school he had left because of sexual harassment since 1984. Project 10 has served as a model for advancing the rights of LGBTQ high school students and established the first LGBTQ+ prom Monomoy. Monomoy GSA is proud to follow in Dr. Uribe's footsteps. February is Black History Month. Today, we highlight Ida B. Wells. One of her famous quotes is, "The way to right wrongs is to turn the light of truth upon them." What strong words.
The class of 2026 is selling pop and popcorn to raise class funds. Please see an 8th grade student or Miss Garino to place an order. Hey seniors, you worried about sending the perfect promposal? Student Council is here to help. For just $5, we will deliver the promposal that will help you land a date for the senior prom. Please contact Ms. Hemian in room A165 or email mhemian@monomoy.edu for more information.
Did you know that February 1st, 2022 is the beginning of Chinese New Year? The date is determined by the new moon and runs for 15 days until the full moon. Each year is linked to an animal. 2022 is the year of the tiger. The first 3 days are when most of the celebration happens, but on the 15th day there is a lantern celebration. During this time, families gather with traditional food and children get red envelopes with money. Have a great rest of the year, Monomoy.